Hello guys, here we have three different type of the gas detectors. So first one is the Gas Alert Max XT2 multi-gas detector. I have two piece of unit for this multi-gas detector, and here we have another four set of the multi-gas detector. We call it Gas Alert Microclip XT multi-gas detector. So I will show you how to do the calibration for the each multi-gas detectors. And okay, here we have four sets, and you can see I have this Recon RX 415 oxygen and flammable gas monitors. So I have two piece for all operations. I am using span gas, four type of span gas, and in briefly I will explain once we are doing this calibration test. So this one is isobutane 8%, and this one also isobutane and oxygen balanced in the nitrogen, and this one 100% nitrogen, concentrated nitrogen. So okay, and here we have 0.5 liter per minute fixed regulator, and also we are using adjustable flow regulator setting to 0.5 liter per minute. So this one we will use for the multi-gas detector. I will make it three part of video for the calibration. Okay guys, this is the first part of the video. First I am going to do the calibration for the Gas Alert Microclip XT multi-gas detector. I have four set of units, and I will use this fixed regulator 0.5 liter per minute, and I will use calibration hose and adapter, and this is my span gas for the calibration. Here you can see the content of this span gas: hydrogen sulfide 25 ppm, carbon monoxide 100 ppm, methane 2.2%, and oxygen 1.8%, and balancing the nitrogen. Why we are using this span gas is, from this gas detector we can detect and measure oxygen percentage, H2S, and carbon monoxide, and LEL. Okay, now I am going to connect this regulator to the calibration hose. First I will connect the regulator, this 0.5 liter per minute fixed flow regulator, and now I am connecting this regulator to the span gas cylinder. Make sure you should have the positive pressure. First we have to check the capacity inside the cylinder. Now you can see here we have the positive pressure. Okay, you can see here positive pressure. Now we are going to do the calibration. First what we have to do is we will switch on the multi-gas detector, and once we switch on, it will do the self test by itself, and once self test is completed, it will show you the remaining days for the next calibration. So normally here showing it's around 180 days, but last month I have done the calibration, so now you can see remaining dates for the calibration like 150 days. Okay, here we can see the, okay, here calibration due 150 dates. So now I am going to do the calibration. So first what I am going to do is I will switch off the multi-gas detector, and I will keep pressing this power off button. Okay, now we are on the calibration mode, and it will ask to supply span gas. So we will connect this calibration hose, and we are going to apply the span gas, and keep holding this calibration adapter, and the figure should be same as the span gas content. And here you can see left side H2S 25 ppm, and right side you can see 100 ppm for the carbon monoxide, and down below you can see 50% of the LEL. Here H2S, carbon monoxide, and the LEL, it's same like a span gas, and we will wait for little time. Once the calibration done, okay, now it's calibration down, and it is showing calibration due on 180 days. So you see calibration is now already done, and again we going to switch off this multi-gas detector, and we can cross check whether calibration is done or not. Okay, I am going to switch off. Okay, switch on again, and here you can see it will start the self test first, and once self test is completed it will show you that how many dates are remaining for the calibration. It should be 180. Okay, self testing, test okay, and it will show you calibration due on 180 days. So it means calibration is completed, and same I have done for my other microclip XT multigas detectors, and my 4 set of this multigas detectors today I have calibrated, and here you can see the due days for the next calibration. Okay, it will start the self test, and we have to wait for the self test first, and normally every 2 years we have to do the show calibration, and every month we have to do the onboard calibration. Okay, now self test is completed, and now here you can see remaining days for the next calibration as 180 days. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching my videos, and see you again with the second part of this calibration video series. Okay, cheers.